Welcome to this special edition of the stream. It's the last stream until Christmas. For those of you who are new here for the last, 2 or 3 years, my final stream before Christmas, I always try to do a few different special things. We've done a bunch of donation streams before and giveaways, and I just like to, have a little bit of festivity. So I've got the Christmas outfit on. We've got some stockings up there, Christmas lights, and I don't know how much you can tell through like the small camera, but there's like snowmans floating on the wall and snowflakes and everything. So a little bit of an earlier stream. I'm going to try to stream a little bit longer, but we have so many, of course we have to talk about the market, but even apart from that, there's just a lot that I'm going to be doing. There's going to be 2 or 3 different giveaways and an announcement. So there's going to be a bunch of stuff throughout the course of this stream. There's going to be 2 giveaways for sure, and then 1 announcement related to a giveaway. So there's going to be a bunch of stuff. So I'm not going to do it all right now in the beginning. I'm going to make you watch stocks for a little bit first, and at some random point I'm going to be doing the giveaway, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. And yeah, so vibes are good. On top of that, if you are in the Discord, the link's in the description, you know what I just sent. I don't know if I can talk about on YouTube because I don't want to get demonetized or anything, even though I don't put ads on my streams, but I don't know if you can talk about what I'm about to do on YouTube. You probably can, I just don't want to risk it. So for the first time ever, I was not even able to do this. Let's see if I can get the sound right at least. I hope that sound came out good, but when I started streaming, I could not even legally do this. So back in the day, we used to joke around all the time and say, when's the first time I'm going to do this on stream? And for the day ones, this one's for you. It's the last stream before Christmas. Probably not really going to be trading tomorrow. So to put it in YouTube terms, I'm going to be pouring this soda into this soda glass. All right, we're going to put a soda in a soda glass, and we're gonna drink the soda. It's a ginger ale, actually. That's why it's yellow looking. And I know it's pretty dark. I'm kind of keeping the camera and stuff dark without the lighting on, so you can see the lights and stuff in the background. But I'll put it on for 1 second. So here's my ginger ale. And cheers to all of you drinking soda as well. All right. What's up, Max, Anna, Yvonne, AK, Nerve in the chat? There's a lot to talk about. Anna's not a big fan of this soda personally. Okay, you're more of a Sprite type of guy. Got it. And yeah, the market is absolutely insane. We had a pretty rough day yesterday. On my last stream, I was talking about how the market looked like it was ready for a pullback. So we did see quite the pullback yesterday, probably our worst day. Wow, since probably this whole entire run up we've gotten, pretty much since Halloween. Yesterday was probably our worst day. And then today you were able to gap up. You kind of went down in the morning to fill that gap. Pretty much. I was actually inputs for the majority of this decline, pretty much literally from like here until here, 2 different put trades. And I think I did I don't even remember what the exact ones were. The second trade was 180% profit. You can see the fills right over here. And then the first trade was, I think about 100. Yeah, it was about 100% profit. There was 3 different sells. So yeah, pretty good put trade in the morning. And then I pretty much was done trading for the day, and I shared this wedge later in the Discord, and that pretty much broke out and then just kind of went up in the afternoon. So it was a pretty interesting day. It was a gap up, sell off to fill the gap, and then move up again in the afternoon. And that's pretty much what we saw. So there is starting to be this range that's developing between 468 and like 473 on the SPY. So I'm pretty much, you can see I have these like little white arrows over here on my alert set on both sides of the range heading into tomorrow. And if we go on the daily, we're actually back under this key level, which is 473. So 473, we have a few highs here from previous all-time highs, a few daily highs at this level. And we broke above it for a couple of days, or for one day, which was Tuesday, and now we're back under it and we closed just under it. So that's the key level to watch going into tomorrow. In terms of the variables, you still technically kind of gave up 3 days of gains and one bearish candle with volume, and the days where you were going higher, you had low volume. Then you had an inside bar today, and then you have classic bearish divergence on the MACD and RSI. So it's I think it's still looking bearish unless you're able to break above yesterday's high. So I'm going to say that there still is a bearish indication here unless we get above pretty much 476 on SPY. And then QQQ looks somewhat similar. You've got the classic bearish divergence on the daily as well. I mean, look how perfect this is. You went up to test the exact previous all-time high level at 409. You found resistance there, and then you also developed classic bearish divergence. So unless you're able to, again, break above yesterday's high, I'm flipping over to bearish. On lower time frames, there's not much to talk about. On the SPY 1 hour, I do have a potential head and shoulders, but this really needs more development. And then if we move over to the Russell 2000, it kind of looks the same on the 1 hour. However, on the daily, it's just kind of going sideways. It was a really nice run to break out, and now it's testing this zone of resistance over here. You can see from this high, August of 2022, February of 2023, and July of 2023. And you're just kind of consolidating in this resistance zone, which is technically the top of the range for the Russell 2000, the bottom being 163, the top being like around 200. And that's pretty much what the market's looking like heading into tomorrow. Typically, the day before Christmas weekend or a lot of like the major holidays are lower volume. So if I do trade tomorrow, it's probably only going to be right around the open. And I could definitely see the market kind of having a slow afternoon tomorrow. So keep that in mind. And that's pretty much what's going on with the market. If we look at Bitcoin, we talked about that bull flag breakout with the hidden bullish divergence. And that started to play out pretty nicely. You even had a bullish engulfing candle on Wednesday. So Bitcoin has broken out of the bull flag. If we look at Ethereum, it's testing a breakout of the bull flag. There is also hidden bullish divergence on this. Looks pretty good in my opinion. It literally broke out of an ascending triangle to immediately make a bull flag. That's not too shabby. So Riot and Mara have continued to do pretty well. This was actually quite a distant day for the two of them, because Riot was only up 2% and Mara was up 12%. But that's pretty much Riot's chart. It's still kind of hanging around the second target of the swing. And then if we look at Mara, it's more than doubled since, not the stock price, but the percent gain since the third target. Since the swing alert on Mara, which was free in the Discord, right down here at $10, it's up 150% in about a month and a half. Absolutely insane. So crypto continuing to do crazy things. Let's talk about the swings now. Let's drink a little bit of this soda, wink wink, before I do so though. Tesla pretty much did see resistance at the level of resistance when I put out this swing trade. That was the first and pretty much only resistance to watch before the first target. And like I said, even if it pulls back more, even from here, all you really want to see is a back test. That's a large enough wedge. You have like 4 touches on the supply line, 2 on the demand line. You have enough touches on the wedge. It's pretty large. It's very visible. Everybody knows what it looks like. A back test would honestly be even better in my opinion. So maybe this does have to go down before it goes higher. Kind of looking at the Qs, it's a little bit bearish right now too. We will see. But overall, I mean, the setup is still the same. If we go over to the weekly, and I was actually requested to look at Tesla on the weekly, your MACD just crossed over to green, and you still have the potential inverse head and shoulders set up over here as well. So Tesla's still looking the same, continuing on. LI, not a great start at all to the swing. Broke the 200-day moving average on volume. It's possible this one fails. Look, that could be a 10% loss if it fails. If you've been seeing what's been going on in the Discord, you know, we just did 80% on Carvana, 19% on Clove, Riot 50%, Lyft 54%. So if one of them fails for 10%, it is what it is. And unfortunately, it might. I mean, looking at other Chinese names, we can take a look at Baba and Neo. Baba actually had a pretty good day today, regaining the key support at $73. Very key level, it's regained it. I'd probably just redraw it at this point to something like this, a falling wedge pretty much. And Baba's not looking too shabby. We take a look at Neo, it had a rough day, down 10% yesterday, inside day today, but it's still above the key $7 support. Look at the Hang Seng Index. It's very close to a bullish engulfing candle. It's at the bottom of this wedge. You might even have a harmonic in play over here. This could be a Gartley. There is a bullish Gartley on the Hang Seng Index. And if we go over to the weekly, it's pretty much retesting its trend line that it's held for the past 2 decades. This trend line is older than me. It's retesting that with classic bullish divergence. For the first time in a long time, I think that Chinese stocks are looking pretty bullish right now. Is that super surprising to say after what just happened for US equities? I don't know. But continuing on with the swings, we have the ARC swing, which moved a little bit higher today after back testing that inverse head and shoulders breakout. It is up about 9% since this was alerted in the Discord. Clove kind of flat today. It pretty much went right up to the first target and then pulled back, but I just want to see a higher low put in. Pretty much any low above 90 cents would be good here in my opinion. Gold, nothing really changed there. Carvana, I mean, can you believe it? This was alerted at 35. It literally went straight up to the third target. Okay, I put this third target on this chart on December 1st. On the first of the month, I said, hey, 62.70-ish. Third target, maybe that's where it pulls back. It literally went straight up to 62 and then pulled and had its largest pullback since $35. An 11% pullback right when it hit the third target. Like, you cannot make that stuff up. It's still in the Discord. I've been looking at every stream. We're not going to do it again, but insanity. Zoom, honestly, not looking too bad. It's just kind of also went up to the first target and gone sideways, but there could be, like, on lower time frames, a little bit of a bullish pennant forming here or something like that. And then finally Lyft hit the second target pretty much. Like, it's really cool to see the targets actually working really well. Like, it's very comforting to know that, like, technicals are working, like, you're taking profits at pretty good areas to take profit. Why was this second target here at 50% on Lyft? Because of this gap fill from the earnings gap down in February. So that's how the swings are doing. There are talks by non-professionals about a possible begin to a recession for China in the near future. I don't have any clue about that. I'm not going to say it's impossible, but I do know that there have been multiple recession talks for the US over the past 2 years, and the US market just had one of its best years of all time. So I don't know. And Anna says appreciate the Carvana swing. So yeah, I'm going to do the first giveaway very shortly. First, I'm just going to take a look at some other names on my watch list. We just went over the overall market. We just went over Bitcoin and the swings alerted for free in the Discord. Now I'm just going to look at some large caps and other highlighted names on my watch list. It'll only take about 5-6 minutes. And then we will move into the first giveaway. So if you're excited for that, hit the like button. And I also want to make sure everybody knows you have to be in the Discord. It is free to join to enter the giveaways. All right. Discord.gg/free trading movement. The link is on the bottom of your screen. The giveaways will be taking place in this announcements channel. Okay. And this announcements channel is where you're going to go for the giveaways. Because I have a bot that we can do giveaways with instead of me having to type in everybody's name. All right. So make sure you're in the Discord right now. If you're not, in about 5 minutes, we're going to be doing the first giveaway. Let's take a look at some large caps first. So Apple pretty much matching previous all-time highs and showing a little bit of resistance. I think it's too early to call this any sort of broadening wedge, but what I am going to do is rechart this just a little bit. Again, going with that theme about the Qs retesting all-time highs. Apple is testing, you could call it a rising wedge or an upsloping channel, but it's basically testing a breakdown. Who's here in the Kick chat saying Merry Christmas, thinking dips in DXY help Hang Seng Index and the related tickers? Yeah, we just looked at the Hang Seng Index, and I mean the dollar currency index in general has just been looking bearish lately. I mean, look at Bitcoin in its run right now. It was like a beautiful bear flag to break the 200-day moving average. Now it's kind of like a mini bearish pennant breaking down. You do have a support here at 100, It's obviously a level that it likes historically because it's 100. But yeah, good point there. Continuing on, that was Apple. Amazon, nice breakout of the range. I think Amazon is one of the better looking large caps right now. It's back in this range. As long as it holds 145, it looks all right to me. Nvidia at the top of the range, make or break area. There's really nothing else to say. Microsoft testing this wedge breakout. I'd say Microsoft and Amazon are two pretty good looking large caps, even though a lot of other ones look bearish to me right now. Google breaking out of this diamond pattern. So if it can break this 144 resistance, then you have your all-time highs at 152. This is the part where it gets confusing, because like I could say Apple, Nvidia kind of look bearish to me, but then like Tesla, Google, Amazon look bullish to me. So it's a very mixed market. Some names in the Qs look bullish, some names in the Qs look bearish to me. If we look at AMD, this looks bullish to me. It's above 133. Could it pull back and retest it? Absolutely. MU, what a move. Wow. Went right up to this resistance at 85. This is its high from March of 2022. Beautiful triangle breakout there. So a lot of different mixed variables around in the market. Zeke, cheers to you as well. Merry Christmas to everybody. Also, this is going to be my last stream until probably next Tuesday. Markets close on Monday. So probably next Tuesday is going to be the next stream. So yeah, we pretty much just looked at the names I wanted to look at. If anybody has any ticker requests, feel free to drop them in the chat. Pretty much the rest of the stream is just going to be hanging out, and I'm here for all of you. So whatever names you guys want to look at, drop them in the chat, and we'll take a look. I'll try my best to move back and forth between YouTube and Kick. So that's pretty much it. Is there any names I missed? Fisker was up 5% today. It's still under. If we zoom out over here, you see this down sloping channel. It's still under it. So I'm waiting to see when it gets back above it. I think in time it should, but for right now it's not. And then these are the levels on the 1 hour. There's really not much of a pattern. So right now, go drop some ticker requests in the chat. I will look at every single one, all right? It's Christmas. If you guys put 100 tickers in the chat, I will look through 100 tickers, okay? So let's get started with the first giveaway, okay? This is actually not going to be the main giveaway. We're gonna do the first giveaway, and then I'm gonna do the main giveaway. So I'm gonna do this first giveaway. Again, you have to be in the Discord and the announcements channel to enter. Anybody can win. It can be a member, a premium member, a moderator, your dog. Anybody who enters the giveaway can win, even your cat. So we're gonna do a little giveaway right now, and then I'm gonna do these ticker requests, and then we're gonna do the main giveaway, okay? So let's do 2 winners for, should we do 2? You know what, let's do it. Let's do 2 winners for the first giveaway. All right, 2 winners. So here's how this one's gonna work, because I said anybody can win. So I'm gonna be giving away a month of premium to 2 people right now. And if you're already in premium, you're like, wait, how can I win if I'm already in? If you're already in premium, I'm gonna extend your subscription by another month, okay? I'm just gonna add a free 30 days. So if you're not in premium, you get a month free. If you are already in premium, you get another month, okay? Premium is $500 a year, $59 a month. So I'm giving away 2 monthlies right now. Let's get this started. Make sure you are in the Discord in the announcements channel. That's where this giveaway is about to pop up. It looks like this, okay? So now let me go to Champ's secret layer, my secret channel in Discord, and let's make this giveaway. Hopefully I don't mess it up. So I'm doing it right now. Make sure you're in the Discord. All right, duration. Let's make it 2 minutes. 2 winners. Premium monthly. If you're already in premium, you can win another extra month. And description. All right. So here we go. Giveaway number 1. Hope that worked. Was that not in the announcements channel? Oh, I just do it in the same channel. Got it. They changed how it works. Right. I guess the only people that can't win this are lifetime members. But I have a cool gift coming to lifetime members pretty soon, actually tomorrow. If you're in lifetime right now, make sure you check your emails or Discord DMs tomorrow. I'm going to be giving a bunch of you some Christmas gifts tomorrow. And as of today, we officially have 30 lifetime members, which is so cool. That was my goal for this year. We just hit 30 lifetime members today. Amazing. I love how Zeke was like, bro did a giveaway to himself in his secret channel. Alright, so there's 5 entries only right now, so technically you have almost a 50% chance of winning if you're currently entered, which is pretty cool. Now you have a 33% chance of winning if you're in the giveaway. Now you have, I don't know, like a 30 something, 31, 29? I don't know. This is getting a little bit confusing now. I'm using this as a break to continue this fantastic ginger ale that I'm drinking right now. Alright, let's feel it. Maybe I'll just do 1 minute for the next one because it's taking a while. And let's see who's gonna get it. 53 seconds. Also, keep dropping tickers in the chat. I want to have a bunch of tickers to look at before we do the next /main giveaway. And I know I just briefly mentioned it, but seriously, thank you to all of the premium lifetime members. 30 lifetime members is insane. It's absolutely insane. So I really appreciate it. Zeke says ginger ale, and it's just it's a canned ginger ale, you know. All right, here we go. Let's see who's gonna. There's a 25% chance of winning for everybody who's entered right now. So 25% chance. If you are a lifetime member, you can't win it. So I'm going to have to redo the giveaway if a lifetime member entered somehow and won. So I will verify all of this giveaway stuff after the stream. Okay, after the stream is when I'm going to be verifying everything and sending out the actual links to use to get the giveaways and stuff. So I'm using streamer mode and on Discord right now, so I can't look at the full names, but David, who's already in premium, just got an extra month. And then I don't know whose name this is because it's slightly blocked out, will also be getting a month of premium. So there you go. And that's the first giveaway. So now we're gonna look at some charts, which all of you requested in the chat, and then we're gonna come back and do the main giveaway for tonight. Alrighty. So let's see what we've got in here. Congratulations to the 2 winners. And let's get started. Alright, take a request time. If you're on Kick, make sure to hit the follow button. I'm very new to streaming on Kick. We don't have a lot of followers there, so I'd love to grow that. And RKLB. Okay. RKLB, pretty good move after hours. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but these are your key levels. I guess there was like a little bit of a consolidation here. It kind of tried to break out of it a few days ago, and then it got back inside of the pattern, and now it's back above. So that is RKLB. You guys say I should have another ginger ale on stream? I don't know. Let's do a poll. Shout out to, there we go, Stealth Trader. Won my first giveaway. Thanks, guys. Love to see it. Let's do a poll. All right. Take a look at the chat. Have another ginger ale. That's going to be the poll. All right. There's a little poll in the chat. Let me know if I should have another ginger ale. I'm not sure why there's foam on top of the ginger ale, but whatever. Maybe it's just a unique one. Okay, so all of you can decide on that. Let's take a look at Lumps Palantir. Again, we're gonna do like probably 10 minutes of these sticker requests, and then we're gonna do the next giveaway / the main one. If you didn't already, make sure to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, I don't even know what to tell you, honestly. So I'm not sure, like something is up. Like my trading view keeps doing that. Palantir, the key level to hold is 17. If that breaks and you've got a gap fill down at $15, you are starting to develop a wedge. You also have triple hidden bullish divergence. So you got bullish variables, but you have, I think the key level is 1709. You haven't broken that since you gapped up on the 2nd of November. So that's really how I view Palantir. You can see the other key levels there as well. AI and then Disney. So let's take a look at AI first. Retesting the 200-day moving average. It's key, very key for this to get back above 32. That's the very key level. That's really it. And then Disney, I guess it's like a little bit of a broadening wedge starting to form. Hidden bullish divergence above the 200-day moving average. I'd say it still looks bullish. That's Disney. SMCI, super microcomputer. I've never really heard of this, even though I have it charted. Is this like a Russell name? Because I keep seeing this all over Twitter. I don't know like how, when / how this got so popular. Let me know what this is in the chat, because I'm very unfamiliar with this and I don't know why, but I keep seeing it like everywhere. It did just break out of a triangle pattern and it's been back testing a little bit. I don't know why I just said that so weirdly. Even 301 is a very key level in general. Look at these highs over here. Key level, SMCI. That's your chart. Clove, we already looked at Clove. PayPal, EPC, I've never heard of that. Getting close to the 200-day moving average. And this wedge, pretty much trend line. So make or break area coming shortly. EPC consolidating over here. I'm gonna try to chart out the key levels. And then I guess stop making every single line the same color, because then it gets confusing. You just broke out of a wedge. I think clearing this 3650-ish area is going to be pretty key. If you can do that, then you've got the 200-day moving average next up at $29. Snow DG. Let's see if there's actually a beer to look at. I don't even know if this will like have liquidity. So the beer, let's try and do some technical analysis on this. So it's a very clear beer pattern that's forming over here. And you can see that it's also testing a beer breakout like right over here. Like there was a larger cup and handle like over here, and then it kind of formed into like a beer breakout. So as long as it can break, if the foam can get over the top of the cup, then maybe it goes back up to test $4.08 a can. All right. $500 million contract with the government. A lot of take requests. I love it. So now we're at Snow. I'm trying to make sure we get to everything. Beautiful breakout of that triangle. It's also testing a breakout of this $192. Why am I drawing? $192 level. It's even coming in for the back test. That's the key level. You can see these highs over here. It's trying to flip it into a support. So this is really what's key. 250 is the next major level for Snow. And hopefully it actually does snow, because it has not snowed yet this year. It's not where I am. EG, this is not a great pattern by any means. I'm just kind of connecting what I can, but I guess it broke out of that, went up a little bit more. It's pretty much right around the COVID crash lows. So I'd say that is a key level to hold, and actually that's where it is starting to find some support. And if it does move higher, 153 is the next resistance from these lows over here, and it's also pretty close to these lows / gap fill. All right, so that is Dollar General. Wrapped ETH Clown. I cannot believe that this is actually a ticker. This looks like a yep, looks like that pretty much. Shop up and handle daily chart. say you're probably thinking about it like this. So yeah, it's already broken out, testing this $77 level. I don't have it, well, the next major resistance is 88. I don't have it charted, but you also have a gap fill at 84. So those are your next two key levels on Shopify. Nice flag breakout. I like how it gapped out of that. Let's see what else we got going on in the chat. Cheddar wrapped ETH, bullish. Medi short volume, bearish. Where's Medi? I miss Medi. ON. Take a look at this. We're about to do the next giveaway very shortly. I don't know, looks like a wedge breakout. And at the same time, you also have like this, no, I mean that. What did, I don't know what I just did. It's like a wedge breakout / upsloping channel at the same time, but keep in mind, if this breaks down and it is down after hours, you've got classic bearish divergence confirmed, and it would also be a breakdown of the 200-day moving average, and those are your next two supports, and that's your resistance. So that's everything you need to know for that chart. You did say, where was this chat? How did I miss this? It's an ale for gingers. That's a good one. Where did I find this? Okay, type harmonic. Let's see. I'm not seeing much of a harmonic on this. I don't know, maybe I'm just missing it. But I mean, another way to view this I really didn't mention would also be a potential inverse head and shoulders. This could be another way to view it, but it's not breaking out. At least not right now. I have to do all the requests as promised. I don't know if there's an AK1 request. All right, Chewy. Oh my gosh. If you have not watched the free video in my free course on my YouTube channel about harmonics, please go and watch it. This is just absolutely beautiful. It's not even a textbook harmonic, to be fair, but it's like a scuffed bullish Gartley. It hit the, it's not even, it didn't even really hit a PCZ because it's not a literal pattern, but like it had the general formation. Even forget about the harmonic for a second. It double bottomed at 1659 and it just absolutely ripped. I mean, the volume was such a good indicator here. Look at how, like, in this area, you were trying to go up, but there just wasn't volume. Then you started to really get volume and you went up. Okay, that just does not look, doesn't look PG, so let's keep the stream PG. Did not mean to draw that. We look at, okay, that is Chewy. I just know someone's gonna screenshot that. Oh gosh. The suds have to overflow. AK says the beer candle pattern. I see a lot of those on the weekends. Whoa, what just happened? I don't know why that keeps happening. Oh, you see a lot of those patterns when you're doing your weekend scans, AK? The lump is up 59,000% on, I don't know, Medi short volume, I guess, but can't sell because there's no volume. All right, so let's get going into this next giveaway. MULN, I'm not sure exactly what happened with MULN today. We're gonna get into that in 1 second. I do see who's here in the kick stream. RKLB had a government contract, TUP weekly. Let's take a look at that, and then we will go take a look at MULN. I'm not sure what the news was. If you do know what the news is, before I go take a look at MULN, please drop that in the chat. Also, can we get like a, I don't know, what's the best way to do it? Can we get like a Santa Claus emoji in the chat for everything I put into this stream? I mean, come on, I'm wearing the outfit, we got the stockings, the lights, I got that other projector thing. You appreciate all the Christmas vibes, drop a Santa Claus emoji in the chat. All right, TUP on the weekly. I mean, yeah, it would be a a loose stop, which is the only thing. Like even if you just wanted to stop, just do it. I know it's a 200% target, which is kind of crazy, but even if you wanted to stop under like this low and this low, it would still be 40% stop loss. So you'd have to be comfortable risking 40% of your position size. If you wanted to place a stop loss at all-time lows, you'd be risking pretty much most of your positions. So like even as a weekly swing, it would pretty much, even just for it to be equitable, you'd have to like pretty much look at it as like a gamble. Like you could lose the full amount. I don't know anything about this company. I'm just saying if you want to like, if you yourself want to play this level, then that's up to you. There's not much of a pattern I'm seeing, but I don't know if you've done fundamental analysis and you think this is a cheap price. That's up to your interpretation. I mean, I guess it very recently just started breaking out of this weekly wedge it's been in, which is pretty interesting. And yeah, you just said in the chat, small position, a gamble. Woolies in the chat. I already looked at Tesla on the weekly. I know you messaged me about that earlier. For those who don't know, I used to play Call of Duty and win a bunch of tournaments with Ghoulie in the chat a few years ago. So I'm going to go take a look at Tesla again on the weekly really quickly. It's got that inverse head and shoulders. MACD crossover to green. Another thing I like about this, which is not super obvious, is you can see this whole entire downtrend on Tesla, right? In that downtrend, and by no means, I want to get something clear. I know I talk about volume on the streams here and there. I have not read a lot of the volume books. I'm sure a lot of you know more about volume than even I do. I use volume in a very personal way. So like, this is basically me with volume. Okay, this is probably the best way, cracking myself up right now. This is the best way that I can really say that I use volume, okay? It's personal, okay? I use volume personally, okay? And I just look for trends in volume. What did price do with low volume? What did price do with high volume, okay? So sometimes it might just be BS, so keep that in mind. But over here, you were selling off and you had relatively low volume. Now you've been starting to go up and you have clearly you've set the bar higher. Quite literally, the volume bars have been higher in terms of volume. So that's good, I guess. I hope it is. I don't know. I can't promise it, but that's really Tesla on the weekly, okay? And yeah, on the daily, it's a beautiful wedge breakout. It's just, again, like we talked about it earlier, the QQQ, I don't know. I'm very mixed on it. You've got the classic bearish divergence. You got technically your final resistance. Unless you can break above yesterday's high, I'm bearish on the Qs. Which, again, it's not that hard to break above yesterday's high. It's not even 1% higher, but yeah. Zeke, you will definitely not beat me in Call of Duty, and Ghoulie can confirm that. Okay, stop. All right. What's up, Traveler in the chat? I see a lot of new names in here. SF Girl, Stealth Trader, congrats again on winning. Robin Regent, Tenderfoot. I'm trying to see everybody. What's up, Max? Infinite Paradox. So many different names. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the Santa Claus emojis as well. Shout out to the Kick viewers. And let's get ready for this next giveaway now. Very sad to see your Tupperware go down like this. We have to look at MELN. That's the last one. And then we'll do this giveaway. So you're telling me that the stock went up 75% and there's not necessarily a clear reason as to why. I don't know what this article is trying to say, but began trading on a 1-for-100 reverse stock split. So was it just a reverse split? I don't know. But there were shills of scared holders. It looks like there was 4 different pieces of news all at the same time and nobody really knows what happened, but delivers 38 class 3 vehicles. I don't know. There's a bunch of things. Let's just focus on the chart. Why is this like breaking my... I don't know what's going on here. Let's just try to refresh it. Okay, I appreciate that, Gully. So on the daily time frame, it was up 78%. But it's just like the last like 3 days, it was down like 20%, 11%. I don't know. This one is a high risk, high reward type of looking name, in my opinion. If we're gonna, I don't know why TradingView is not working right now, which is very sad. I hope the stream's not laggy. I can't even really chart this. This is pretty frustrating. There we go, it's back. All right, wedge pattern, testing a breakout. I mean, obviously the volume was insane, so really not much else. I'm right now, just not working. I don't know if the stream's lagging or not. Hope it's not. So let's try and take a break from TradingView. Let's do this final giveaway. My computer's not lagging, it's just like TradingView. So let's do this last giveaway. Shout out again to the 2 premium monthly winners. I will contact you after the stream. Marty McFly. Just because of the name, I'm going to go right back to TradingView and look at. I think that says Neo. We got the Christmas lo-fi music playing. I'm glad you like it. So Neo, what's wrong with my eye right now? It's like really hurting me. Neo, $7 key support. Rough day yesterday. Went up a little bit again today. The key thing for Neo right now is just to keep holding $7. $9 is pretty much your next big resistance. You can see a few highs here from beginning October, and then also the 200-day moving average. So it's a range bound asset for right now in like the short term, but the long term is a potential major double bottom at $7. And like on a weekly time frame, probably like $16, which is more than double the current stock price, is going to be like your next major resistance on the weekly. So I think a weekly type trade for Neo, which means it could take a very long time, could honestly make some sense with a stop loss under 7, as long as you adjust your position size based on that risk. Not financial advice. And let's go back to the Discord, not back to the future. All right, make sure you're in the Discord if you want to join the giveaway. Make sure you are in the Discord. Go to the announcements channel, and then you can participate. Okay. Gonna give everybody a little bit of time to do so. Let's explain this next giveaway. All right. So on Saturday, Jordan, aka Ace the Kid, Bueller Trades, and myself are hosting this mastermind. So we're all hosting this mastermind on Saturday, and I'm going to be giving away not 1, not 2, but 3 people, okay? 3 people access to this mastermind. So if you already signed up for the mastermind, you can still join this, okay? So here's what's gonna happen. If you were already signed up for the mastermind, or if you're currently a premium lifetime member and you win, obviously I can go verify that myself, and I'm gonna DM you. I'm gonna Venmo, PayPal, whatever you want, send you $25, which is how much the webinar/mastermind costs. And if you win and you're not already signed up, you get to access it for free. It will be recorded, it's gonna be 3 hours long. And here's the other announcement. They're both in the chat right now. If you're in the streams, if you're in the Discord, you know who they are. Had to pull a few strings, negotiate a couple of multi-million-dollar contracts, but Zeke and AK are also the other 2 surprise speakers. They're both mods in the Discord and on the stream. They're both premium moderators in the mod chat, and they provide so much value to the whole community. And I'm really excited to see what they're going to be speaking about. From my understanding, AK is going to be speaking on risk management. Zeke is going to be speaking on pretty much picking which day trades to scan for. I'm going to be speaking on a whole entire general bunch of day trading topics. So is Jordan. And then Bueller's going to be speaking about Fibonacci and charting levels. If anybody here has heard about Bueller's levels, it's like a steak from like Smith and Walensky. It's the best of the best. All right. So we're going to be doing three spots right now. If you're already in lifetime premium, or if you're already signed up, I'm literally just going to send you $25 on whatever you want me to send it to you on. All right, so 3 of them right now. Anybody can win this. Either you get $25 if you're already going to the mastermind, or if you're not, you're going to it for free. All right, so here we go. Even if you don't win this giveaway, I highly recommend anybody watching the stream to go sign up for this. We have 5 speakers. It's going to be 3 hours long. You can go back and watch it as much as you want. Yeah, this is going to be a really, really cool event. I'm really excited for it. And I'm genuinely telling you right now, 3 hours of paying attention will make you a better trader for the rest of your life. You will do better in your day trades for the rest of your life. It's not going to stop you from having losers, but it's going to teach you how to keep those losers small, how to find more winners, how to maximize the winners, what technicals to use, what news, how to read the news, everything. We're going to be talking about everything. 3 hours for the price of a cocktail in New York City. I'm drinking a ginger ale, of course, and even if it was alcohol, I would not be drinking a cocktail right now, but come on now, let's get this started. Let's do it. All right, it's only going to be 1 minute for this giveaway. Hopefully you've joined the Discord by now if you haven't already, and let's get it going. 1 minute, 3 winners, mastermind access. If you already signed up for it, I'll send you $25. So basically you're just going to still go to it for free if you already sign up for the mastermind, because I'm going to be just sending you the money back. And technically if you use code Champ, Bueller, or Jordan, you paid $20 for it and not 25. So you're basically making $5 from going to the mastermind. Interesting. All right. And it would be pretty funny if the 3 winners are already going to it, and I'm just like pretty much refunding 3 people. Let's get it going. Again, discord.gg/free trading movement. Currently a 50% chance of winning. 3 winners, 6 entries. Now it's slightly less than a 50% chance of winning. Look, like I could have just given away money. I could have just sent cash, which I've done on like 10 other streams before. I could have just picked a few winners and sent them cash. But I'd rather give you access to learning how to make your own money for the rest of your life than just doing that. That's why I'm doing these types of giveaways. All right, here we go. And here are your winners. There we go. Yvonne wins trades, the Roman Regent, and J-Dog. Congratulations. I'm going to be reaching out to you 2 for the premium monthlies, and then you 3 for the mastermind. I hope you all enjoyed the giveaways on today's stream. Thank you so much for being a part of the free trading movement. I did see the poll, and there was 20 votes in this poll, and 95% of you said to get another ginger ale. So I'm going to go do that right now. We will open this next ginger ale. As you can see, the whole Christmas outfit. There we go. I guess it's kind of hard to tell with the lights off. It might just look like a plaid shirt, but it's all Christmas colors. Okay. There you go. Looks like a Christmas gift wrapping paper. Where the music went. Neri says, giveaway are only on Discord. Medic says, sorry, I'm late. What up? I know I went early, like 2 hours. I went live 2 hours early tonight. So I know a lot of people might have missed it. Yes, the giveaways are only on Discord. I did say that like 3 times. So if I can think of another good giveaway to do, I don't mind doing another one. Let's go back over to the charts. Zeke says bro wrapped himself by accident. Request more tickers. What do you guys want to do right now? This stream is for you. Let's get the crack of the ginger ale open. So it's a new ginger ale brand. It's called Ginger Artois. It's very interesting. Yeah, give me some more ticker requests. If you have any trading questions, let me know in the chat. If you want to watch any videos on YouTube, you want me to react to anything, let me know. Is on Bueller Discord? I checked, didn't see anything. No, it's on my Discord. If you're talking about the giveaway, which is already done, discord.gg/retradingmovement. But I do want to say, if any of you do want to sign up for the mastermind on Saturday, it's only $20, not $25. You get $5 off if you use code CHAMP, CHAMP, CHAMP. Use that code, and it's $20 for the giveaway. And you can access it. So just gave away 3 of those mastermind accesses, 2 monthly premiums. If you're already a lifetime premium member, there's going to be a special gift sent to you tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it on Discord or emails. So I don't like to really send people messages on Discord because like there's so many Champion Vibe impersonators and I don't want them to think it's a scam when it's actually me for once. But then if I send it to people's emails, and they might not open it. So I don't know, maybe I'll just send it on both. But if you're already a lifetime member, you're going to get a pretty good surprise. Let me just say, if you're in lifetime, maybe don't sign up for the mastermind. That's probably the simplest way to put it. And I really do appreciate all the support. Seriously. What else is going on? I see a few more ticket requests. We can get to those. Just some small life updates. I just wrapped up my second to last semester of college. Hopefully, I'm saying hopefully because I have to take 7 classes next semester to graduate, which is not going to be easy because it's also like 4,000 level finance classes. They're all my my final classes to graduate. They're all requirements, and I need to take 7 of them to get my credits I need to graduate. So it's going to be an interesting semester. Still interning at the New York Stock Exchange, which is a dream come true. I think I just went in like the last 5 days in a row. I haven't talked too much about what I do there, and I can't talk. I don't know if I can or not, but I just like to keep things private. In general, it's data management is what I'm doing over there. But even in the summer, I was there all day, and I was doing a bunch of cool projects about options and international stocks and M&As and just a bunch of cool stuff. So been meeting a lot of really awesome people there. Just moved to New York City, which is really cool. If anybody's in New York City, feel free to hit me up if you want to do a meetup or anything. I've met 2 or 3 of you. I feel like by this point I should have met more, but I've met about 3 of you in person, which is really cool. It's weird meeting people in person, like from the internet. Because I don't know, I sit here in a stream and I feel like I'm just like this, I don't even know how to put it, this adult, and then I realize I'm pretty much younger than like every single person watching the streams, for the most part. Not that I'm calling anybody old, I'm just saying I'm a baby, okay? Thank you for dropping. Yeah, so the Discord, I'm seeing a lot of questions about that. It's at the bottom of the screen, all right? Discord.gg/freetradingmovement, okay? That's the Discord name. You try to join Discord, but it took you to Bueller's Discord. I'm not sure why it's doing that. But yes, Bueller is a really cool person. He will be in the mastermind on Saturday. We are going to take a look at those requests. I do see them in the chat. Here's a giveaway idea, $500. All right, if you match me, we'll do it. Match me on that and we'll do it. Zeke says, why didn't that paste as a link? I'm not sure why. 7 classes sounds like a fever dream, but you got it. Light work, no reaction. Where Chet at? I'm not sure where Chet is at. Young goat. Alrighty. Let's get to these ticker requests. Screw the age, you are big chilling with the vibes, man. That sounded so fun. Okay, let's get started. NVIDIA. It's tough. It's just a make or break area. It's got the hidden bullish divergence. It was a nice flag breakout back to the top of this channel, but now it's just kind of sitting there still with an inside candle. So not much of any change. CEHL, did you mean? I think you meant CELH, Celsius. Actually, I've only had like 1 or 2 Celsius drinks, so I actually really enjoyed them. Second one might have given me a heart attack, but it was fun. 200-day moving average, support, and a gap fill for CELH, Celsius, and as long as it keeps holding 49, it looks bullish to me. Cost, what a move. I mean, I'm not even joking. I literally played calls on Costco for that move, thinking like, oh my gosh, I got the triangle breakout, I'm so cool, and probably made like 70% profit or something. And here it is, up another 33%, which, you know, maybe some like small caps do that in one day, but for something like Costco, which is basically losing money on the hot dogs that it sells, very impressive to go up 33% when they're basically donating hot dogs to their customers. There's not much technical analysis to do on it here. It's starting to lose some volume, looks a little bit overbought. Double top on the RSI. Clove. All right, we'll look at it again. It is one of the swings. It's not a big fan of that bearish engulfing from yesterday. It's just retesting 200-day moving average. It pretty much went up to the first target, and now it's just going sideways. A lot of the swings have been hitting the first target and then just kind of going sideways. Bank of America. I really liked oh my gosh. Should have bought calls. How many times have you all said that? I should have bought puts. I should have bought calls. I'm not even joking you. I spotted this bullish Gartley on Bank of America with a double bottom. With the double bottom at the pattern completion zone. I think there was something on the weekly too. There was weekly classic bullish divergence, and it was a historical support. It was the ultimate setup. I'm pretty sure I mentioned this on the stream, and it has been such a nice move since that all formed. It's up like 30-something%. At this point, I think it just broke above that 32.82 level. You can see it's pretty important. Look at these lows, these highs, and spent the last few days trying to hold it. So got to continue to see what's going on with that. That is Bank of America. All right. You were able to join the Discord. Thank you, Zeke, for that. Roman Regent. Yo, champ, I'm a lifetime member and I won the giveaway. But rather than claim the $25, I say do another giveaway on one condition. Only people who have not bought the course can enter. I really want to see someone who couldn't afford it get into the event. I just want to see if I'd win the giveaway. LOL, Merry Christmas. Wow, that is amazing. Can we get a round of applause here? I can actually, why did I forget about doing this? How do I do this again? What was the way that I did? Oh, it's gone. There was a way that I could have made confetti come up on the camera, but I'm not seeing the way to do it right now. There we go. All right, here we go. This one is for the Roman Regent. Boom. Confetti. I'm just clicking on all of them now. This ginger ale is it's a good soda. Seriously, shout out to the Roman Regent. One, thank you so much for being a lifetime member. Two, it's going to be great to have you in the mastermind, and I really appreciate all the support. And three, that's what it is. Giving back in the giving season, I really do think that's amazing of you. And let's do it. You want it? Let's do it. I'm with Roman. Bundle mine as well. A 2-for-1 special. Stealth trader as well. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna, by the way, when the stream's over, I'm gonna DM everybody and make sure everything is like, everybody's getting what they want. I'm not trying to make anybody lose anything. So I'm still gonna reach out to both of you after, see like if you're in lifetime, and like see if, you know, if you're already going to the mastermind. That goes for all of the winners. So I'm gonna confirm everything after the stream, either tonight or tomorrow morning. But yeah, let's do it. We're gonna give away 2 more spots to the mastermind. All right. Here's what I'm not understanding though. We're getting so many emoji reactions, right? It's like more people are reacting with emojis and entering the giveaways. It might be like people that can't enter them because like they're already in it or something. So I really do appreciate it. So this giveaway is only gonna be for, and it's a good thing. I'm really hoping that Neri, if that's how you pronounce it, wins it. Because you just had such a struggle of getting into the Discord. So here you go. It's another chance. And if you don't get it, there's gonna be more giveaways in the future. So please do not enter this giveaway if you are already a lifetime premium member, or if you're already going to the mastermind. All right. This is just for anyone who is neither of those. All right, there we go. Let's do it. This is only gonna be a 30-second one, so get ready and go to the Discord right now to the announcements channel. If you want to join, go right now to the announcements channel. All you have to do when the giveaway goes live is hit the party button. There's gonna be a party emoji. You click that big button and you're entered. Okay. 30-second giveaway. I'll do it in 1 minute just to make sure whoever wants to join can do it. All right. All right. Two winners, prize, mastermind, access, and this is just straight up. I'm not gonna do I'm gonna send you 25 if you're already in it. This is for people who are not already in it. So for people who are not in lifetime premium, you can be in premium, just not in lifetime. And for people who are not already going to the mastermind, this is your chance. And again, alrighty here too. Big shout out to Roman and Stealth for giving back. All right, there we go. Thank you both so much for that. Not only do I really appreciate it, but the 2 people that win this are going to really appreciate it, and everyone else is going to appreciate it for just being awesome. So far, like, nobody's entered it. I don't know if I should have made it longer or if I did it wrong. Okay. Technically, if you're just entered in it right now, you're automatically going to get it. So this actually might work out perfectly, which sounds weird, but we're going to have to do it again if only 1 person enters this one. There's 22 people in the stream right now. Are these 22 people, are all of these 22 people already going to the mastermind? That would be really interesting. I don't know if someone's just like trying to figure out it. It's in the announcements channel. This is literally how I feel right now. This emoji right here. And someone gonna do it last second? That would be so cool. Do it. We're gonna have to do it again. We have to give 1 more away. So this was the same winner as wait, this is what's confusing me though. Because Stealth won, now it gets confusing. Stealth won the premium monthly. Did I just mess that up? Bundle mine as well for a 2-for-1 special. I don't really know. I say we do that again, right? Someone help me out here because I'm very confused now. Someone has to help me out here. What do we do in this situation? Yeah, you did win the monthly. So now you're going to the mastermind too. Neri was trying to join it. All right, here's what we're gonna do. He was eligible. That is completely fine. But you're not in premium, so I don't know like what to do with that. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Neri. Anybody could have entered that giveaway, and I don't know if everybody in this stream right now is already going to the mastermind, is already in lifetime. Here's what's gonna happen. Neri, you've been really wanting that spot. You got it. Just give me your Discord name, and we will give you that last spot. I'm sure this is most likely you. So just confirm for me in the YouTube chat that this is you, and I will send you access. Okay. So there you go. Those are the 2 spots. 1 to Stealth. So Stealth won 2 giveaways tonight, which is super cool. Oh, you're David on the Discord. Now I'm even more confused because who's the S then? It might be because I'm in streamer mode, so I can't see whose full name this is. Oh, this is not... Okay, so Stealth in the YouTube is David. This is not... I thought this was Stealth because it starts with an S, and I just can't see the full name because I'm in streamer mode. Now it works out perfectly. Nothing is wrong. All right, now we're all good. Neri, don't worry about going to any channel. I just need you to confirm for me. I'm like 90% sure this is you. I just need you to confirm for me that this is you so I can send you access for the mastermind, all right? So there we go. That's it. No more mastermind giveaways because I don't want Jordan being like, yo, you gave away 500 spots for the mastermind. But yeah, that was not your issue at all, Stealth. That was my confusion. It's a Discord issue, not anybody else's. And Infinite, congratulations. So I'm gonna send you access to the mastermind. Anybody who's not in it, I know there were multiple chances to just win it. I will do more masterminds in the future. Again, this is mastermind 1.0 for a reason. All right, 1.0. Next giveaway, 500 spots. We'll end up having like 500 like free people, and then like however many paid members, like 50 paid members, like 500 free people. So yeah, if you're not already in the mastermind, if you didn't win any of the giveaways, I really highly suggest you still go and sign up. Okay, it's basically you giving yourself a Christmas gift for $20. Use code CHAMP. It is the pinned chat. It's the pinned chat on YouTube, whop.com, WHOP.com/championvibe. WHOP.com/championvibe to join the mastermind, to join premium, to watch my free trading course. It's the pinned chat. So use that for everything. It's all in one place, which is super cool. The WHOP guys are amazing. I've met with them a couple of times now in person, and just an amazing group of guys. I really am a huge fan of what they're doing. Apparently the chat's broken, which is weird. Not sure why. And yeah, I'm gonna reach out to all the giveaway winners after the stream. Who's talking in Champ Slayer? So I think that's gonna be it for the Christmas stream. Very solid. We went an hour and 11 minutes. It was a great stream. I really appreciate everyone for watching. Who's here in the kick stream says, cheers champ, wishing you a great 2024. Cheers to you as well, and same to you. All of you in the chats, have a Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, have a great weekend. I'll be live again next Tuesday, and last week of the trading year next week. So let's end it off with a bang, and have a great night, all of you. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, subscribe. If you're not in the Discord, you just saw the giveaways we did. Discord.gg/free trading movement. And then to join our mastermind, the 15 of you watching the stream right now, I want to see all of you there, okay? If you really can't do the $20, DM me and I'll see if I can give you a sale on that. Like this is not me trying to make a bunch of money. Like I'm not even trying to sound egotistical. Like Jordan and I are not really making that much money from this. I just don't want it to be like a bunch of random people that are not serious about trading joining. Like that's really it. So this is not about the money. I really just want all of you there. That's why I'm trying to do these giveaways. That's why we brought down the price a little bit with the coupon code. It was really gonna be $50, then we made it $25, then we gave a $5 off for $20. It's just, we want to educate, and I want to keep doing these a lot, which is why I don't want the prices to be high. I want to do these like every other month. All right. So be there. It's going to be a great time. It's literally about day trading. If you're watching this stream, I'm sure you day trade. And $20. All right. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. Merry Christmas. And enjoy life. And drink ginger ales. The ales for gingers.